Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Armani Exchange bracelet stainless steel watch. It's a silver one. This is plastic free apparently, so it's all cardboard. So we bought this from H.Samuel. Wow, I like this packaging. So I have opened this part before, just this part. So all that was is just covering that, and it was sticky. And then you just pull it off. Okay. So this is the box itself. Comes with the black wrapper thing. Let me pull this off. Come on, you bloody. There you go. So this is the box itself. It's a bit dirty. Not sure why. Probably been sat in a warehouse or a bit. Armani Exchange, made in China. Okay, so this was 100 and well nearly 200 pounds. We got it for 120, so that's not a bad price. Come on. And pull this packaging up. Come over to open it. Bloody hell. Yeah, I'm just gonna shake it out, guys. It's coming. Go. Almost everything. There you go. There you go. Finally. Alright guys. Nothing on the inside, is just a plain box. Got a certificate of authentication, so you can tell it's real. It's got a code in there. Get out the way for now. Okay, this is the watch itself. Wow, they made everything so tight in here. Oh, there you go. So that's like a cardboard. Oh, they got rid of all the plastic. No wonder the thing looks different. Okay. So this is, wow, that's really nice. Look at that. So you got 3 clock faces, and then you have the main clock face. You got the Armani Exchange logo in the middle. Let me see if I can block the light out so you can get a nice thumbnail. Let's have a look. Something like that. I think, guys. The hell is this sticker here for? Is that just stuck on there? Oh no, you have to cut that off. Never seen that before, but yeah. That's the watch face. It is currently, don't know what time to put it on. Don't know if it's that right. 10:56. Yeah, they put the right time on for you. Okay, and then here you got the minutes, I think. Hours. I don't know what these small ones are. If anyone knows, let me know. I think it's got, oh, look at that design. So you got the O-ring, then you got this hexagonal type design. If you look closely, you can see goes like lines, hexagonal. Got the 3 watch faces there, so you change all these clocks. So look at the back. You got screen protector on there, screen protector on them. So let me take everything off now. Oh yeah, there's a screen protector on the screen as well, I believe. I think so anyway. Yeah, this. It's just how do I take it off? And where can I take it off from? Can you see it's leaving? Somewhere. There it is. I can feel it, guys. There you go, guys. Look at that. Wow. That is very shiny. I like it. Guys, all this has got screen protector on somewhere there. So yeah, I want to take this tag off first and stuff. There's another screen protector there. But yeah, it's a really nice watch. It's quite heavy as well. It's got a good weight to it, not like a cheap. When it's proper light, it just feels cheap. This has like a good weight to it. That's really nice. It's quite thick, and because we bought it from H.Samuel. Wait, so this is how you open the clasp thing to extend it for your arm. And because we bought it from H.Samuel, you can get the links taken off for free to get it to the exact size you want it. So yeah, that's the main reason we bought it from H.Samuel. You can just bring it to one of the stores and they'll do it for free. So yeah, this is a beautiful watch, guys. Highly recommend it. Let me show you what it looks like on my hand, my hairy arms. Ooh, okay. This is what it looks like on my hairy arms. Look at that, guys. Ooh, quite nice, isn't it? Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.